Welcome back to the Would You Bend YouTube channel. This is a beginner-friendly project using only 5 products. For this project, we used Posh Chalk Intersecting Circles Decoupage, the Would You Bend 3rd Generation Trim TR717, Posh Chalk Metallic Pigment in Lemon Gold, Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser, and Posh Chalk Metallic Paste in Red Medium Cadmium. We cleaned and prepped the bar stool and then applied a white coat onto the places where we were going to apply the decoupage. When applying decoupage, you want to ensure your surface is white as the paper is slightly transparent, so this helps to keep the vibrancy of the colours. We applied decoupage using Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. We placed the decoupage in the middle of the chair and then smooth it out using a dry, smooth and blend brush. This helps to get rid of any air bubbles that might be left on the paper. To trim the excess of the decoupage, we recommend using a bit of sandpaper. Rubbing sandpaper gently along the line you wish to trim helps to create a more natural finish. Then we go over with another coat of Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser, helping protect it against wear and tear. Next step, we applied the Would You Bend trim. This 3rd generation moulding is a gorgeous chunky chain effect. The 3rd generation are the most flexible yet durable generation of Would You Bend yet. When using Would You Bend, you want to heat your moulding to make it bendy. When cool though, it has all the properties of normal wood. There are 5 steps of application when applying Would You Bend. You want to heat it as much as you possibly can using a heat gun, hairdryer or a griddle. The second step is to apply a good quality wood glue. Do not use PVA glue when applying Would You Bend. For this chair, we applied the glue directly onto the surface. Then we took a paintbrush and spread the glue evenly along the surface. You want to make sure the entire footprint of the moulding has glue on it to ensure proper adhesion. After the trim was warmed up, we unrolled it from its coil and placed it onto the surface. This is the 3rd step. 4th and 5th step of Would You Bend are to heat it once more and press it again. We cut off the excess edges of the trim. When Would You Bend is warm, it cuts like butter. But when it's cold, you can clean up these rough edges using sandpaper. We went in with a splash of colour. Taking our Posh Chalk Metallic Paste in Red Medium Cadmium, we stippled this onto the chair. We used the mouldings brush. The Posh Chalk moulding brush allows you to get into all the detailed nooks and crannies of Would You Bend mouldings. And this is just one coat look at that coverage. Posh Chalk Metallic Paste has a very interesting texture. It's very thick and can be stippled onto a surface. When heated, it also inflates. But you can make the paste more movable by applying water or a retarder. We decided we want to apply more decoupage. To make this transition neat, we applied masking tape to mark off the edges that we wanted to apply the decoupage. Then we took some Posh Chalk White Titanium Paste, but you can use any white colour, and applied this onto the surface where we were going to apply the decoupage. Again, stippling with the paste allows for more full coverage. Following the same steps as before with the pigment infuser, we then apply the rest of the Intersecting Circles decoupage. For the edges of the decoupage, we took a decorator's scraper and pushed it into the grooves of the chair. Then we trimmed off the excess using a knife. Next step is to apply some highlights. Lemon Gold Posh Chalk Metallic Pigment is our brightest pigment. The best thing about Posh Chalk pigments is that they come in a powdered form. This gives you complete control over the consistency you wish to use. For this chair, we wanted a paste-like consistency that had full coverage. To make a mixture more runny, you want more pigment infuser, and to make it thicker, you want more pigment. Look at the consistency that you can see here. You dry brush this onto the back of the Would You Bend trim. Dry brushing means running your brush lightly along a surface. This makes any pigment on your brush highlight the grooves of the mouldings. Because the Intersecting Circles decoupage has lots of lines and geometric shapes in it, we wanted to emulate this down the lines of the chair leg. So again, taking painter's masking tape, we marked off where we wanted to apply some lines. We filled these spaces using the Posh Chalk pigment mix that we made earlier. and it was really satisfying peeling away the tape to reveal these clean, crisp, shiny lines. This project is super simple to do and really beginner friendly, and the end result is stunning. It's something really different and an absolute statement piece for any home. You can find the products that we've used here on our website.